Hey guys, welcome back. So the Sephora Vib Rouge sale starts today, and that means 20% off at Sephora, which this only happens 2 times a year. So I know a few people have asked me to do a wish list video sharing what I have in my cart right now, showing what I kind of am wanting to get, what I have my eye on. So I know everybody kind of talks about like, ooh, is this worth it or not, whatever. So, you know, there have been some new launches. I've kind of been adding stuff to my cart, maybe a lot of stuff to my cart. So I thought I'd share with you guys what I have in my cart and what is on my wish list, so that maybe it could give you an idea of what you might want to put on your wish list. I don't know, maybe it would, maybe it wouldn't, I don't know. But yeah, so I just thought I'd sit here and share with you guys. I did my makeup a long time ago, so it might not look that good. Sorry if it doesn't. But yeah, I'm just sitting here. I didn't even put my hair down. I'm just sitting here kind of chilling, sipping on a glass of wine, and I'm just gonna share with you guys what's in my cart. I don't use like some fancy editing program, anything like that, to show you guys like what I'm getting. I'm just gonna literally show you straight off my phone what's in my cart and tell you, you know, why I'm getting it. I would love for you guys to comment down below and tell me what is on your wish list, and tell me like the top maybe 3 things that are in your wish list and what you want to get. Tell me if you think maybe, oh, you should skip on this or that because I've heard, you know, just tell me what you think down below. But I would love to hear what's on your wish list, and let me know down below. So let's just get started because I have quite a bit already in my cart. And of course, I don't need anything. Like, I don't need anything. There's nothing I need. But, you know, when there's new launches, you just feel like you need to stay on top of it, if that makes sense. Okay, so I feel like there's probably gonna be more stuff after I talk about this video that I'm gonna actually change to my cart. I'm probably gonna take things away, add stuff there. But I'm gonna show you guys currently what's in my cart. This is kind of like what's in your bag video, like without cleaning it out first, like, cause, you know, there's probably new stuff. I haven't refreshed the just arrived section since maybe a few days or maybe a week or whatever. I used to do it like every single day I'd look. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that's in my cart, so I have 13 items in my cart, and I feel like that's a little unlucky. I'm gonna have to change that. But the first thing that is in my cart is this MAISON Margiela Replica. I talked about this perfume in my Sephora. Under the Sun, Under the Lemon Trees perfume travel spray. So that is what it looks like. Sorry if there's a little bit of a glare, but it's this replica perfume, and I'm sure you guys have seen it. You've probably used their samples before, because I know that Sephora does a lot of like samples with this perfume. And honestly, so I got this as a sample and it smells so amazing. Number one, I love lemons, but I don't even know if it really just smells like lemons. I already used the sample up, so I can't like sit here and, you know, refer back to it, but it's one of the best scents that I've smelled in a long time, and I loved it. So I'm definitely buying, I think, the travel and the large size, because I want to take, you know, the smaller one to travel and then the other one just to have like on my perfume vanity thing. I don't know. Okay, so the next thing that I've had my eye on and that I have wanted to purchase is the Patrick Ta Major Glow Highlighting Mist. So I just added like pretty much everything in his line to my cart because it all looks so amazing. Sorry, there's like a green thing over my phone. It's because it's 12:30 a.m. and I have like the blue light changed on my phone, so it doesn't mess with my eyes as much. Anyways, so this is like a highlighting mist, and it's called We Need Her. It's the gold pearl. That's the color that I like the most. And oh my gosh, like all these products look so amazing. Patrick Ta's a like celebrity makeup artist, and now he started his own line, and all of his stuff looks so amazing and so luxurious. And I also put, I'm not gonna skip, so that's something, I know I put other stuff in there from his line, but it's not the next in line, so anyways. So there's this new line called the INKEY list, and it's really inexpensive. It's like $7.99. Kind of reminds me of like The Ordinary, like trying to kind of be a little bit on the less expensive side. And this is a hyaluronic acid serum. I love anything hyaluronic acid because it's supposed to be like plumping, and it says it targets dry skin, reduces the look of fine lines, visibly plumps. So I love plumping, anything plump. So it's good for normal, dry, combination, oily. I just love like anything hyaluronic acid. And the fact that it's only $7.99, I feel like can be really great. So that's kind of the packaging. It's just kind of basic, like white and black packaging. I just threw a couple things from that line in my cart because I was like, they're inexpensive, they look good, they have good reviews. Okay, so the next thing is a restock, which I talk about all the time that I love, and this is by SHISEIDO. This is their facial cotton pads. Absolutely love them. I get the biggest one, the 165 sheets, because I go through them so fast. Like, it's all I use. They're so soft, they're so luxurious. I use this for whenever I do my toner on my face. So I'll like spray with toner like the Camille Beckman one, and then I will sometimes put some extra of the Thayer's on a cotton pad and just on this Shiseido one, and I'll take whatever's left. And it's so crazy when you do the toner to see what actually comes off after you've washed your face. I do it at night before I do my moisturizer, and also in the morning when I get up. So that is what that one looks like. I do the 165 sheets. They also offer the 40 sheets, but I just do the bigger one. There is 2,178 reviews on this. Wow. And then, so after that, I got, I also added the from the INKEY list, I think that's how you say it, INKEY list, the hemp moisturizer, because I love hemp, like hemp seeds, and I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do, but it looks really nice. It's $12.99, not bad. Soothing, rich, lightweight moisturizer, helps nourish and helps to appear more energized, your skin more energized. It's a lightweight cream, green tea extract, omega-3. It just sounds really good. Like, the ingredients sound really nice, and it's only $12.99. Like, that's not bad at all. Packaging, I don't love. It's pretty simple, but like, you can't really complain whenever it's $12.99. Like, that's not bad at Sephora, especially. Okay. So this next thing, I really have a feeling a lot of you guys are gonna have this in your cart as well. And this is the brand new Fenty Beauty by Rihanna bronzer. So she came out with some new bronzers, and they look so amazing. Sorry, there's that glare and it's like the green film over my phone. I'm sorry. But you guys know, you guys get on your phones with me, get on your little apps and look up the Fenty Beauty bronzer. So I think I would get the shade Private Island. It's light to medium with warm undertones. I'm kind of feeling more cooler bronzers right now, so I might change the shade up. Private Island, that one looks good. Island Time also looks pretty good, or Island Ting, I don't know what it is. I don't know, I love the names. I love Fenty, so I'm really excited. That one looks really great. Also, another powder that I added to my cart is by JOUER. It's the Soft Focus Hydrate Set Powder. So this technically is not marketed as a bronzer, but it's marketed as a hydrating set powder. But I would get a dark shade to be a bronzer, because I love bronzers to be hydrating, and I think this would be a really nice bronzer. It looks really luxurious, really pretty. I added the shade Tan. There's maybe I'll do a different one, but the powder looks really like has a nice sheen to it. No shine, like no metallic, no shimmer, but it's like a sheen. Looks very healthy, looks very radiant. All right, the next thing is the Mini Bronze and Glow Cheek Duo by NATASHA Denona, right there. Sorry, my ring light is kind of throwing us off there. It's only $19, but it only has 3 stars and it has 10 reviews, so that kind of bothers me. I don't know if I'd get it. I'm really big on reviews. Like, if it's not 5 stars or if it's not 4.5, I'm probably not gonna get it, just because reviews are pretty right for the most part. Unless I see somebody use it in a tutorial or something and I'm like, wow, that's really great. So it looks pretty nice, honestly, but I haven't been impressed by NATASHA Denona yet, except their highlighter, which I kind of want to add their highlighter to my cart, because mine that I have right now is broken. So, all right, and then I added the full size of the Lemon Under the Lemon Tree perfume, because I love it that much. I want to get the travel and the big one and the big boy. Oh, you guys probably, like, that's probably familiar to you. Literally, that's the best scent I've ever smelled in my life. And it doesn't have the best reviews, so maybe you shouldn't always listen to reviews. Anyways, the next thing is this powder. This is nothing new, but I have never tried the Bobbi Brown, like, Shimmer Bricks, I'm pretty sure what it is. I don't know if it's called a Shimmer Brick. It's just their highlighting powder. It's not a Shimmer Brick. So this is in the shade Bronze Glow. My friend Lauren has talked about this so many times. She's been like, you need to get this. And her and I don't agree on a lot of makeup products. So, and I mean, I think I would really love it just because it's so beautiful. But at the same time, I'm like, oh, there's so many new things. I don't know if I want to get that. It's not new, you know? I know it sounds bad, but it's true. Okay, so oh no. Oh, one of the Patrick Ta things in my cart is sold out. Dang it. It's the Major Glow Body Oil. Now that is not sold out yet. I hope that all this stuff is not sold out tomorrow. I'm sure people are already shopping. If it started already, it's $12.39. I'm not ready to shop yet. Like, I'm not committed to these products fully. This is on my wish list. You know what I mean? It's like having a Christmas list. Okay, so anyways, Major Glow Body Oil. So there's the shade Dream, it's a champagne, and then there is a Moment, which is bronze. I'd probably get the champagne because bronze might be a little dark for me right now. And then what I put in my cart that sold out is the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine, which sucks because the lip shines, oh, they're all sold out, dang it. No, that's so annoying. It says available. Oh, it's available today. Dang it. Coming soon to store. Oh, it's supposed to be in store. That would be awesome if I could get it in store. Sometimes I do some shopping in store or online. I go back and forth. I like to do mostly online because I don't like dealing with people. To be honest with you, to be totally honest with you, I don't like going in store unless I'm with a friend or something. I don't know, everyone is so snooty and Sephora to me. Like every time I go in, they're all like, hi, how are you? And I'm just like, you know, I don't know. I just get this vibe that I don't like it. I don't like it. And I don't know if I'm the only one. Tell me if I'm the only one or if you agree. Okay, so there's only one thing. We've really gone through this pretty quick. Dang, I can't believe that's it. So the last thing that I have is this another INKEY list product, and it's the vitamin C cream, which it just sounded really nice to me for like a morning daytime moisturizer. Vitamin C, because I'm always trying to get vitamin C in. It just looks really nice and really great for a daytime moisturizer, and it has 5 stars, 8 reviews. Hero antioxidant, skin brightening. I love skin brightening anything. You know, honestly, and that's the last thing. You guys, I think there's a lot of like, and my cart is at $429.97, and you know I'd get 20% off of that, and then tax. But so that is it. That's all that's in my cart. There are more things that I can kind of think of that I'm interested in that I want to get, but that's all that I have in my cart currently. So I really don't think I'm gonna go balls to the wall this time because there's nothing I really need. I just wanna get stuff maybe to try out for the channel, maybe for Instagram or whatever, just to like show you guys if you guys are interested. Or if you guys have suggestions of things like, oh, Emily, you need to try this, you would love this, please let me know down below and I will add it to my cart. So yeah, that's it. That was just kind of like a quick little thing. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed sharing with you guys. I wanna do more casual vlog style videos too. I just feel like I'm tired of this, you know, just sitting here. I mean, I like it, I enjoy it, but I kind of want to do more casual stuff. A lot of people talk about like on Instagram. I've been following Caitlin Bristow and I love her podcast, Off the Vine. She lives in Nashville, but she's like travels all the time. But she talks about Reelstagram. I think Real Instagram, whatever. And I'm like, I kind of want to do more content like that. Just like share more of my real, raw self with you guys. Cause I don't ever want to seem like I'm fake. Cause I'm not, but I feel like I kind of try to be perfect sometimes, and we all know I'm not. Nobody is. Sorry, I'm kind of like late night talk, late night vibes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know your wish list top 3s down below, and let me know if I should get something that you think I'd really like. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, sign up for alerts. Let me know what you want to see next down below. I know I've talked about like a skincare / bathroom declutter, so I think that'd be kind of fun. Also, I've talked about, what else have I talked about? Let me know if you guys want to see like a clothing try on haul, because I've purchased a lot of clothes. I'm doing more like athleisure, athletic wear type clothes too. And shoes, a lot of shoes, some more summery, springy clothes. And I'm also thinking about doing maybe a Colorado vlog. I'm going to Colorado in a week, so maybe I'll do a vlog when I'm there. I never really vlog when I travel, so I think it'd be kind of fun. So let me know what y'all think about that. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go, and I hope that you guys have a great weekend. It is NFL draft weekend in Nashville, and I work 10 days straight, so forgive me if I'm a little absent, but I'm gonna try my best to stay on top of it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your sweet comments. I love you guys so much, and I said that a lot, sorry. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.